Kia ora whānau, that guy Zeno J here, and as I am part of the Let's Play Live talent pool, I get to check out certain LPL talent things. In this case, it's going to be the LG 48-inch OLED TV screen. Let's go check it out. Look at how thin it is. This is actually one of the flattest display panels I've actually ever seen, team. It's insane. Like, it feels like a solid display. That's what I love. I don't know how they've done it, but it is actually incredible. We got a hold of the next-gen PlayStation 5 console, along with the gaming PC with the NVIDIA RTX 2080 graphics card installed, so we can check out things such as variable refresh rate and AMD FreeSync. But first, let's see how the PlayStation 5 looks on it. Let's have a look. Screen and video. Here you have it, folks. Video output 4K, automatic transfer rate, HDR is always on, deep color output is automatic, RGB range is full, and the big one, enabling 120 Hz output, meaning it runs at 120 frames. Let's see what that video output information is, folks. Up the top there, 4K 60 Hz. Of course, it doesn't need to be running 120 right now, but if you go right to the bottom, frequencies HDR 120 Hz. Oh my gosh, team. Just how fresh this is running. So this is running at 120 frames. And running at 4K, just the quality of this image. Woo! This is just running so silky, it's insane, folks. Can't believe it. So, like, I like to think I have a decent setup at home, but this TV, woo! And it also has HDMI 2.1, which means your frames stay consistent, so you're always running at 120 frames. What's really cool is that the TV earlier showed that this was running in HDR mode, which I really liked. I thought that was quite cool. It's been running smooth the whole time too, like no slowdown, no lag whatsoever. It's now time to see what that gaming PC is going to look like. As you can see, I've switched over to PC now, and the image quality between this and the next generation PlayStation 5 console, I can't tell the difference, it's ridiculous. With this, it's also running at 4K 120 frames per second. Along with that, it also supports HDR10, which means you get those brilliant colors. And with AMD FreeSync Premium, it cuts down on chopping and stuttering, so just everything looks way more fluid. I've never seen a game just looking this good, you know? As you can see, the OLED TV can work for gamers on either the latest next generation console or your high-speed gaming rigs too. The LG 48-inch OLED TV is available right now at your local tech retailer. Find out more at lg.com/nz.